This is my go-to palette for everything. Start with Tone Up. And you're just gonna go right here and right above your crease. Okay, taking that same shade and same brush, you're gonna kind of like do a little half close right here. You're gonna go right on the outer V of your eye. So right in that socket. And once you have it in there, you're just going to go in circular motions and buff, buff, buff into blank start right here. And I'm just going to tap. The more you add of this color, the lighter it'll be. In depth, go in depth right again in the outer corner, right in there. Take your fluffy brush and then just buff it out. I'm gonna buff out right in the outer corner like that. Warmth. And just a small amount in the outer corner right here. This is the final look. Okay, just a very soft blended eyeshadow that any eye shape can do.